Hi there. We're now going to do a drawing that deals with self-compassion, kindness and love for ourselves. To begin this process, I want to be mindful and in the moment before I begin. So I'm going to set my intentions about this. I'm placing my hands on the paper to acknowledge the paper's surface of what I'm going to be drawing on. I am grateful that I have the ability to draw and be able to draw. I am feeling fully present in this moment. I am feeling love, kindness, and self-compassion for myself. I am enough, just the way I am. I am valued, and I am important. And I am feeling this love and support for myself in my heart. Now I'm focusing on what colours is this presenting itself in my mind. Are they pastel? Are they bright? What energy am I feeling? Are my lines wavy, swirly, organic? What symbols am I feeling? Am I feeling sun, hearts, birds, peace signs? What's coming through for me right now? Just do whatever is natural for you. Your subconscious will come forward for you. The most important thing is not to overthink this. This is not an expertise in drawing. This is about feeling and projecting those feelings to our paper. So let's mindfully begin. Draw whatever comes to your mind. Don't overthink your colours, just pick up whatever colour. If it's a pencil, just pick up whatever colour just comes to your mind. We're not creating a composition here, we're just creating whatever we feel like creating. There are no rules. What shapes and lines are coming to you? Are you drawing squiggly lines, wavy lines, sharp little lines? Are there any symbols that come to your mind? Are there any words that come to your mind? Remember, this is self-compassion. What kind of things can you think about yourself? Say to yourself, I am feeling love and kindness towards myself. And I acknowledge all the beautiful things about myself. Now write your words. Write your kind words about yourself. When you've finished this, reflect on what you've drawn. I started with pastel colours and wavy lines, trying to feel the sense of calmness and slowness. And then as I started to think about the symbols, I drew a heart. And I started with this little tiny heart here. And then I drew another heart in the middle. And that heart just got bigger and more colourful. And that is something I did notice. I started off just doing like those wavy lines and circles and squiggly lines, organic lines. And I was just doing them in very calm, muted colours. But then when I started to realise all the love I have inside, and I drew that heart, I started to gravitate towards very bright colours. So I kind of feel like that's giving. I feel like that's reflecting a giving heart. And then when we wrote words, what was coming to me? Well, I just tried to think about all my personal qualities that I feel about myself. And I feel like I'm a caring person, I'm energetic, I'm enough just the way I am. I'm vibrant, I'm trustworthy, I'm a good friend, I'm dependable. If you want something done, I get it done. And overall, that was my drawing from the heart. And my drawing is enough, just the way it is. And you're enough, just the way you are. I hope that helped ground you a little, and I hope that you feel a sense of calmness, a sense of self-love. And this is an exercise that you can keep doing, like we could do this again right now, and the outcomes will be different. The more you do this, the more self-compassion you will have for yourself, the more kindness you will feel for yourself, and the more self-love. And who doesn't love that? Have a wonderful day and keep drawing.